Hello and welcome to the KitPlus News. So last week was the KitPlus Show in Media City, which despite the rail strikes attracted a good number of visitors from the region. We'll be releasing recorded seminars in the coming weeks, and if you head over to our YouTube channel, you will see the playlist with exhibitors giving some insight into what they had on show.
Yes, and we'll be doing it all again in September with the KitPlus Show coming to Twickenham and then on to Bristol in early October. So do check out kitplusshow.co.uk for everything from exhibitors to seminars, workshops and training. All once again, of course, with our headline sponsor Blackmagic Design.
And in other show news this week, IBC has announced a world-class lineup of headline speakers and a partnership-led approach to bringing more innovative content to the show. As the media, entertainment and technology industry gets back to live in-person networking, learning and collaboration, IBC is returning to the RAI Amsterdam on the 9th to the 12th of September as a face-to-face event after 2 years of virtual formats.
Yeah, hardly seems it was 2019 since we were last in Amsterdam. So this year's IBC conference, which is running from 9th and 10th of September, is bringing together some of the industry's most influential thought leaders to present keynotes, panel discussions and IBC technical papers, and is centred on the theme, What's Next? Designing the Future Together. The conference will explore core trends and technologies shaping the future of media, including metaverse, data-driven ad strategies, hybrid business models and cloud migration.
And of course, show visitors can also discover demos, presentations and other sources of information on offer from IBC's exhibitors, with over 850 booked for this year's show so far, and no doubt more to come in the coming weeks.
So in other news, Mo-Sys Engineering has announced plans to introduce 2 new StarTracker products together with an exchange program. The introduction of StarTracker Mini will expand the Mo-Sys range, increasing its market reach to a new generation of virtual production creators, while StarTracker Max enables Mo-Sys to bring forward its improved camera tracking technology for professional broadcast and cinematic use.
And if you came to last week's KitPlus Show at Media City, you would have seen the Mo-Sys Academy offering virtual production taster sessions, and they'll be offering these at the next show on the 30th of September in Twickenham, so keep an eye out for that, and of course register. Now, Intracom Systems has added a series of hardware control panels to its Vcom platform, its IP software multi-channel multi-access communication solution. The Vcom hardware control panels are cloud and are SaaS ready, bringing users agility, power, affordability and ease of deployment in professional and mission critical applications.
As part of their plan to transition towards full SMPTE ST2110 IP production, Creative Technology has implemented the proven combination of Imagine Communications' Selenio network processor and Panasonic's KAIROS IP video production platform, providing a smooth segue from SDI to IP for their production teams, and of course a superior consistent experience for their global clients.
If you happen to be watching in New Zealand, then you'll be pleased to hear that Calrec, a leading designer and supplier of broadcast audio mixing consoles and equipment, has announced Protel as its exclusive technology partner and distributor in the country. Protel is now selling and supporting Calrec's entire range of audio products, including mixing consoles, remote production, audio networking solutions, and IP infrastructure technology.
Ikegami Electronics Europe has announced a major addition to its range of broadcast production cameras. Introduced at NAB this year, the UHK X750 is a full studio OB camera optimized for fixed mount operation on a pedestal or tripod. Integrated into a robust metal housing designed to ensure extreme ruggedness, it includes high frame rate capture for slow motion applications, global shutter sensors and versatile connectivity.
KILOVIEW is expanding its family of NDI solutions with the introduction of its new NDI Recorder, which joins the company's growing ecosystem of IP-based hardware and software video encoding, decoding, conversion, switching and streaming technologies. The launch of this NDI Recorder indicates KILOVIEW's ongoing commitment to continually develop AV over IP workflow technologies in its product lineup.
And there's a new camera from Blackmagic Design, the 6K G2. Now, it had its first showing at the KitPlus Show last week. The Pocket Cinema Camera 6K G2 includes an adjustable touchscreen for easier framing of shots, a larger battery for longer shooting without needing to charge or change batteries, as well as support for an optional electronic viewfinder. The 6K G2 has the latest Blackmagic Generation 5 Colour Science and retains the popular cinematic Super 35 HDE image sensor with 13 stops of dynamic range, dual native ISO and EF lens mount from the previous model.
Flowix, creator of one of the most comprehensive platforms for powering remote and in-studio production of live graphics and interactive content, have announced several new additions to its catalogue of data connectors. The move broadens the assortment of native integrations of live external data that can directly populate broadcast graphics created with the Flowix cloud-based engine.
The Element Tile 70 is the newest product in the Element range by Projects Department. It uses the same light source as the original, but as the name suggests, is half the size at 70 watts. The light engine uses Roscoe LED tape, which is designed for the most demanding dramatic lighting applications. Roscoe LED tape very white products deliver an amazing volume of high quality, tunable white light that can easily be customized for any project. And we're reliably informed that you'll be able to see the Tile 70 at the next KitPlus show.
Let's hope so. ATEM have announced the launch of its 5G streaming solution, enabling powerful and engaging video experiences for the mobile users. The solution has already been used in the Eurovision Song Contest and in a major tennis tournament, as well as by the government-backed 5G Vista Consortium for an in-stadium project right here in the UK.
And finally, in the news, Croatia's public broadcaster HRT has equipped its headquarters, regional centres and global reporting teams with DeGiro solutions provided by DeGiro's local partner and system integrator CS Computer Systems. Supporting the broadcaster's live news, sports and events coverage, DeGiro ensures resilient high bandwidth wireless connectivity in the field, as well as simplified content sharing amongst stations.
So do make an effort to check out those KitPlus Show videos from last week on our channel and subscribe if you want updates. Take a look at what IBC has to offer as well, and thankfully we are coming to a bit of a trade show hiatus, but it will all kick off again pretty soon. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.